Today is a short follow-up to the last video where I decided to purchase a relatively inexpensive inflatable boat to use as a dinghy.
Okay, so it's about to go down. I didn't do any of the stuff to build this thing out. All I really did was just bring the inflatable boat. Sorry about that, my brain just slowed down. All I did was bring the inflatable boat and got some supplies to inflate it, and went and bought some supplies to do some quick fishing. I'm only gonna be here for maybe an hour or two more. Got the deal closed today, done, and so I'm gonna get changed up. Got it. Okay, so now I just need to get some air in this thing.
Though my body is healing and I get stronger with every day, I have not been working on either of the boats, the Formula 233 or the Tierra 3100, very much at all. Definitely slowed my progress, but be sure to subscribe and hit the notification buttons so that you can see the progress on those as well.
Inside the bucket, in case I need to put trash in it. I don't really have a lot of trash that I can take. And that, just in case, I won't need them on the water. And music, spyglass, whatever's in that thing. And anchor and rope. So that's about it. We're gonna wait till the water, and we're gonna see what's what. I'm really excited about this. I don't know why I'm so excited about it, but I'm super excited about it. See you at the water. Okay, so that's about all my time on pulling anchor. I will definitely be using this boat more in the coming weeks while I am waiting, or while I'm working on the others. This was a heck of a good buy. I'm excited, very pleased with how it went down today. Very pleased. So I think now's a good time to touch a topic real quick. The topic is, what is a yacht? So if you ask Google what is a yacht, Google will tell you a yacht is a mid-size sailboat built for racing. Now, that's not necessarily wrong, but it's not necessarily right either. So if you were to pick up a hard copy dictionary, Webster Dictionary, I believe what you would find is that A yacht is defined as any vessel that is specifically for pleasure, and or leisure. So, which is kind of difficult in today's world because, you know, you've got so many yachts that are set up to do more than just, you know, lay across the deck and, see, you can't see me, can you? Besides lay across the deck and sip, you know, high dollar water and all kinds of other nonsense. But that's the skinny on it. So a lot of times, a lot of people ask me, you know, what size boat does a boat have to be a yacht? And the truth of the matter is, if it's built for luxury and it is built for leisure, it's a yacht. If it's built, you know, to work, if it's built to fish, and that's what the boat is solely built for, fishing, it's not a yacht. So there are some boats that aren't yachts that have the tag of a yacht, and there are some boats that are yachts and don't have the tag as a yacht. As for, you know, licensing purposes, we define a yacht as, you know, pretty much starting out at about 36 foot. And 36 foot is kind of where the money line gets drawn. That's where you start separating boaters from yachtsmen. Boaters don't mind spending, you know, 50 to 100 grand on a boat. You know, you get a crazy boater or a guy that's serious about it, he'll spend 250, 350. But when you get to that 450, 500, at half a mil, things start tightening up. People start putting themselves in a particular role. So, and then obviously $1 million and up, you know, things definitely get a little different. You start getting some distance between boaters and yachtsmen. I'll touch on later what a yachtsman is and what a boater is, and how you know the difference, and you know which one you are and which one you want to be, and all of that jazz. So until the next time, Agua Love, Agua Lux, Agua Life. Thanks for your time. Find some water. Get on it.